Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the delivery of 4 Boeing P-8I Neptune Advanced Maritime Patrol aircrafts, which is done by the United States for India. We all know that in 2016, the Indian Ministry of Defense placed a $1.1 billion, which is for 4 additional P-8I, with delivery set to begin in the first quarter of 2020. The Boeing P-8I Neptune aircraft is an export variant for the Indian Navy with an advanced anomaly detector and multi-mode radar added to its features. Since it's the time for the delivery to happen by end of this month, which is April 2020, looks like there is an update news from the defense sources stating the delivery of these aircrafts would be delayed due to the ongoing issues of coronavirus. Yes, the second batch of 4 Boeing P-8I Neptune Advanced Maritime Patrol aircraft, which were supposed to be arrived in India by end of April 2020, has been delayed by Boeing, and it looks like this is expected to be taken care only after July 2020. And the rest of the 3 aircrafts will arrive by 2021. So India already operates P-8I Maritime Patrol aircraft, which is 8 of them in naval base in Rajali Air Force Station. And the second batch of 4 P-8I Maritime Patrol aircraft will be based in naval base in Dabolim on its western side, which is more focused on the Arabian Sea and the movement of Pakistani Navy in its vicinity. The Indian Ministry of Defense decided to procure 6 more P-8I Maritime Patrol aircraft deal soon with the Boeing company. To see more details about the patrol aircraft, the Poseidon contains up to 7 crew members with its computer console in its cabin. It also has an electro-optical and infrared sensor turret, a maritime surveillance radar, and a signal intelligence systems. Its radar is capable of detection, classification, and identification of ships, small vessels, and surfaced submarines. The P-8I is being operated in the anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, and shipping interdiction roles. According to the US Navy, this aircraft can carry lightweight Raytheon Mk-54 anti-submarine torpedoes, missiles, free-fall bombs, depth charges, mines, and sonobuoys in its weapon bay. The air-to-surface and air-to-air missiles such as Harpoon anti-ship missiles, SLAM or AGM-65 Maverick land attack missiles, and AIM-9 Sidewinders are also integrated in this underwing hardpoints. I've already uploaded another video with more details on this particular aircraft, which you can find in my channel's list. For now, in this video, we'll just concentrate on the details about the orders placed by the Indian Navy and when the delivery is going to happen. Coming to Indian Navy fleet, let us see how various orders were placed for Boeing P-8I Poseidon aircrafts. During January 2009, India's Ministry of Defense signed a $2.1 billion agreement with Boeing for 8 P-8I to replace the Indian Navy's aging Tupolev Tu-142M maritime surveillance aircrafts. And as mentioned, in July 2016, the Defense Acquisition Council approved the purchase of 4 additional P-8Is at a cost of $1.1 billion. And this is the delivery which is being delayed by Boeing. On top of all this, in November 2019, the Indian government approved the procurement of another 6 P-8Is, and earlier the Navy had planned to purchase 10 aircrafts, but now the count has been reduced to 6. So not sure when these 6 Boeing P-8Is will be arriving in India. We just need to wait and cooperate with everyone who are fighting against the COVID-19 for now, so that the life of everyone comes to normalcy very soon. So let's pray for a quicker victory over this virus and let's stay safe until then. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or a new hot topic later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.